The liability is the portion of one's insurance that covers one's legal responsibility to pay for damages due to an accident or loss. If you have ever owned a pet larger than a goldfish, you know that it can be a handful to handle it. This happens if your pet is still young and untrained, or just untrained. Pets are playful and fun to be around, but if your pet hasn't been trained properly, sometimes you'll see that things can go a little out of hand. Things may fall down and break, even valuable things, and if you are playing around the home, it'll often be your valuable things. But what if these things happen when you are visiting other people, friends or family? Things can go out of hand, and even worse than trashing stuff will be if someone gets injured or hurt because of your pet. Suddenly you might wish you had a liability insurance for pets already signed. If it is bodily injuries that occur and the person will need treatment, it can quickly become a costly affair. Liability insurances cover those costs for you, and as well as you would want that insurance for yourself, you'll also want it for your pet. If you have an animal pet that can potentially do harm, even though you know that it will never happen, you should cover yourself. Luckily, there are many insurance companies that will help you out, but you will need to take action before something happens. If you own an exotic animal or a large dog, you might find out that your insurance coverage costs will be a great deal higher than if you had a hamster or similar pet. The reason is simply that larger pets and pets with a greater risk of being potentially dangerous will naturally be the ones that will have the insurance companies cover them. Our suggestion is that you try to talk to several insurance companies before deciding where to apply for the liability pet insurance, because prices can vary greatly. Take your time and talk to 10 or more companies, because often you'll be able to achieve a rebate of up to 30% or more. Liability insurance for pets are necessary, but you don't have to pay extra for it.